All right, we are live. Welcome, everyone that's on the stream already. I see a few of you have been waiting. Welcome to Dino, Trader Sir, Abdi Sheikh, Adam K, Hero Brian. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Today we're doing a New York trading session. I know I usually do London sessions, but on Thursdays, I go later on the evening. So whether you're watching for the first time or you've been watching before, make sure you click the like button on this stream. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you click on subscribe. Um, and yeah, we'll get right into it. As always, during these streams, we'll be giving away some accounts. That means at any moment, I can literally pick anyone. In fact, for this stream, I'm going to go all the way up on the comments to figure out who this person to one. And that person is actually going to get a 10K Forex account. So let's find out who that lucky person is. Okay, so the first person, according to what I see on the chat, to have commented on this stream is Trader Sir. He said, waiting for your stream. So, Trader Sir, congrats on winning a 10K Forex account. Like I said, at any moment, I could pick any of you to win these accounts. So I'll save your name, Trader. There we go. Congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. All right. Make sure you guys click on the like button before we get started with the analysis. Welcome to Peace, Money Beast, Tom Hardy, Bravo, Rockstar, Abdi Sheikh. Welcome, everyone. Bro, I need an account, please. Lord. I might pick anyone at random, so just stay tuned. Can I please get a future account? Because I genuinely don't trade a Forex account. That's fine. What I'll do is instead of the Forex account, we'll just make it a futures. So I'll just save you as that now. Okay. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Share this with a friend. And yeah, and do get with the analysis on gold. We're going to take a look at gold as well as other pairs, pound pairs, Euro USD, USD JPY, and New Zealand USD. Okay. If you have any questions in regards to trading, make sure you save that for later on. Whilst I am doing my analysis, I won't be able to really answer your questions. So for now, save your questions. When we have a Q&A session, I'll be happy to answer all the questions. Okay. All right. Perfect. Let's get started. So we're going to look at gold right now. Of the we'll do a quick breakdown. I'll just highlight the levels that we should be focusing on. So this is an important level, okay? As well as this current level. Gold currently at a level which is about 4,209. This level is a strong resistance zone, okay? And so it is a level to look at. What I would say in terms of gold as of the moment is I would actually wait for a break and close below this point. If we can get a break and close below the level 4,183, I'll be happy to enter shorts. Okay. Not a long short, but I'll tell you what level. So sell if close below, and this is not financial advice. This is just pure analysis. Okay. Um, 4,184. So I'd like to see a close below the 4,184 level before I start to look for possible shorts, potentially targeting this zone, the 4,139 zone. That would be the first target. Second target being 4,107. And based on how well it moves, we could even target 4,057. But I would like to see price at least retest the 4,005 level. And I'd like to see it stay under the 4.2K price that it's at right now. But let's see. This is what I'd like to see if gold can close below 4,184. However, this would all be invalidated if we get a break and a close below, sorry, above 4,245. Okay. If we get gold to close above 4,245, that will be a strong indication for gold to head towards the upside even more. Okay, if that makes sense, comment one. Comment one on the chat if that makes sense so far. Perfect, perfect. All right, that's for gold. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking at these two levels, 4,184 and 4,245. These two levels, the 4,245 level, if it breaks above, I will consider, going along with gold, being more bullish. And if we get a close below the 4,184 level, I'll be more bearish. So I will start to consider going short with gold, potentially targeting the next zone, 4,140, 4,110, and then 4,050. Okay. So let's see. I think right now it's just a wait and see game. We need to see either a break above, like I said, or a close below these two levels. Right now, I wouldn't enter. It makes no sense to enter gold right now. So it's just a wait and see. Okay. Let's where price heads to, whether it's the upside or the downside. Okay. Hope that's very clear. Next up, we have the pound pairs. So we're going to look at pound JPY. We'll come right back to gold. Pound Japanese yen. Let's have a look. I did say if it closes above, we could have potential longs, but I'll get rid of this previous analysis. All right. Yeah, above the support zone at the moment. So very bullish from what it looks like. However, I don't think there's any trade opportunity at the moment. But what I'd like to see with the GJ is a retest. So I'd like to see price possibly test support again. And based on how it moves, I could go long. Okay. In terms of pound pairs being bullish, that's what I would look for. So yeah, a retest on the support level for GJ before going long, that would be ideal. However, right now it's above the support zone, so nothing really there. Okay, at the moment. Guys, if you're watching, make sure you click on the like button. Make sure you click on the like button if you're watching. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe as we go live week, literally. So, hey there, Satish. Yeah, so GJ, quite simple. Just wait for that. Moving on, we have pound USD. Pound USD. I would say the same thing with pound USD at the moment. It's above the support zone, so very late to consider going long at the moment. Would be a bad entry and wouldn't make sense. However, I would wait to see retest of support, maybe a consolidation before considering going long. Okay, but right now, I'd say there's nothing there. Bro liked 100 centuries back. Appreciate it, Money Beast. There we go, Tracer. Yeah, so same thing with GU. Wait for a retest and support level. Okay. And you know, one thing about trading for multiple years, it takes you a few seconds at the very most or at a minute to really see if there's a potential setup or not. Um, and that's what I like. If this is a or trading, the more easy it is for you to spot potential trade opportunities. So you don't have to be on the charts. Like I personally used to be on the charts for 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day. I don't need to do that anymore. A few minutes a day is more than enough. Either there's a setup or a potential setup. If there's nothing, then you come back the next day. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, GU, nothing there. Pound Swiss. Also, comment below if you're in any trades at the moment and let me know if you're long or short on that specific pair that you're in currently. So if you're in gold, let me know if it's short or long or any other pair. I'm just curious what you guys are trading at the moment. Um, do you have any giveaways? Yeah, Money Beast, we're going to be doing the giveaways shortly. So stay tuned. I'm long on, okay, I don't care. Long on gold. Perfect. Perfect. Who is the giveaway winner? We haven't announced the giveaway winners yet. So you can still get involved. Just to remind you guys, if you're looking for a discount code, there is a code on the screen. It's AquaTV. It gives you 45% off a Forex account, and 65% off futures account. So it's really helpful. Um, you can use the code on screen right now. I'm currently long on gold. Okay, what price level did you enter at, Money Beast? Welcome, Bravo. So yeah, pound Swiss, I just set up my zones. Currently at a zone of support. Okay. I'd like to see how it treats this zone it's at the moment. If we get a break and then close below, I'd be more bearish. If we can hold and price can potentially break above 1.04858, I'd consider going long to this zone and potentially the next zone here. But I'd need to see how it treats this support zone at the moment before I consider anything else. Okay. Next up, we have pound CAD, pound Canadian dollar. Can you explain gold price action? Yeah, we've already sort of broke down gold already, but I will be going back to gold. So don't worry, just stay tuned. Guys, I want to know, is everything smooth on your side? Like, is the audio and stream perfectly normal? Comment too if it's normal. Just let me know the quality. If it's good, good. Normal, yes. Everything is absolutely good. Audio and video. All right. Perfect. Perfect. Um, I have been in break even. I have made 2%. What's wrong with 2% RPAN? It's okay. All right. Perfect. Perfect. So yeah, pound CAD. Let's look at pound CAD. Very bullish. Definitely missed the move. Again, similar to the other pound pairs that I mentioned, um, I wouldn't look at pound CAD at the moment unless we get a retest towards that support level. If it starts to head towards the upside, I'd need to see a break above this resistance zone, 1.85690. But right now, it's literally in between these two zones, and it's just a wait and see game. Okay. Moving on, pound New Zealand. Um, Not really interesting enough for anything at the moment. So I'll move on to pound AUD. Which pair should I trade as a beginner trader? SJ, there is no one particular pair that's better than another pair. All pairs work. You just need to find a pair that works good for your trading strategy. Okay. Whether that's gold, whether that's pound pairs, whether that's euro pairs, whatever it is, um, just figure out what works best for your strategy. Like gold is very volatile. Will your strategy handle the volatility that gold comes with gold, right? Or will it be better suited for less volatile pairs like pound pairs, you know? So, sir, you don't trade gold? Yes, we do trade gold. We're going to look at gold shortly. I entered long on 4,187. So you're still holding Money Beast, right? Why is that you're still holding it? Gold about to commit to the downside. Let's see. We're going to take a look shortly. Um, yeah, pound AUD. I want to see a break above this zone. 2.02061 for me to consider going long, potentially targeting this zone, the 2.03096. So I want to see a break above this zone. Again, this is not financial advice, okay? It's pure analysis. GJ next support and resistance zone. Yeah, USD JPY. I'm gonna have a look at JPY very shortly, but that's all for pound AUD at the moment. The USD JPY, I believe there is a zone that I was looking at last week. I would say with USD JPY, I know it's slightly bearish at the moment, but I'm only looking for longs on USD JPY. I feel like it has a lot more bullish momentum to it. And so right now it's just about catching the right trade going along with USD JPY. Um, so I'd say a good level to look at is this level 154749. If we can get a break and a close above, I'll potentially start looking at longs. So your video is kind of stuck. I don't know, might be my network issue, but if not, please look into it. Guys, can you hear me? Or is it just Trader Sir? Let me know if it's running smooth on your end. Comment below. If it's smooth, just comment below so I know it's smooth on your end. Smooth. All right, perfect, perfect. Yeah, so USD JPY, that's what I'm looking at for me to go long at the moment. So let's see. If it breaks above and closes above, then I'd consider going long. All good now, but I experienced a lag. Okay. Very weird, but I hope it's smooth now. Um, Let's see what other pairs we have. Euro USD. In which time frame entry? What pair are you talking about, Satish? Simple. Currently at a resistance zone. So very simply put, if we get a break and a close below this zone, a break and a close above 1.16583, I'll consider going long even higher towards the upside based on how it reacts to this resistance zone. It's going to show us whether or not it's going to be more bullish or not. Okay. So right now with Euro USD, if you're curious about, where I stand on it, I would say wait for how it reacts to this resistance zone that it's at the moment. Okay. If it respects it, then we could get temporary downside. It's just depending on how it reacts to this current zone it's at. Adam K, are you okay? You said you're long on Euro USD. What price level? 49 pips is good. If you made 49 pips long, I mean, you want to put stops on break even and risk losing your profit, I'd just get out. It's not worth holding 1.60. Yeah, not a bad entry at all. Just get out. Okay. All right. What do we have next? We have, I believe, New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar. Do we have anything? I'll say the same thing. So if we can get a break above 0.56831, we could go long and potentially target 0.57189. But I want to see how it reacts to this level. Okay. But we're going to go back to gold. I haven't looked at CAD Swiss RPAN. We're not looking at CAD Swiss at the moment. All right. We can do some Q&A whilst we wait for gold to kind of move into a certain direction. So if there's any questions, any trading questions that you have, now would be the best time to ask in the chat. Could be a bit with your question. I'll be happy to answer it. All right. BG Ravi, how do you manage losing streaks? Um, I think the best way to manage it is not to avoid it. First of all, you shouldn't avoid losing streaks because it's impossible. Obviously, you should try your best when it comes to managing your risk and having a good trading strategy. However, you can't avoid it. Okay. What you can do to manage losing streaks is to have it as part of your system. Your trading strategy should allow for you to have consecutive losses but still turn out to be profitable. That's it. That's how you manage it. You can't avoid it. And anyone that says it's possible to never have a losing streak is lying. Okay. Spend as long or profitable overall. Arpan said, how can we manage many accounts same time? I wouldn't focus on that. What I would advise you, Arpan, is focus on managing and growing one account. When you manage one account and you're consistent, then you focus on the second one and then the third one and so on. Okay. Just because you have multiple accounts does not mean that you will be a profitable trader. What you should focus on is perfecting your trading strategy and building consistency. You can always get more accounts. Futures or forex? I personally don't trade futures, so it's forex for me. Hey there, Subha. Vish said, does the trader who is very useless in the beginning become the best trader later? I don't know what you mean, Vishal. I don't understand the question. I'll be very honest. All right, Tom Hardy asked a very good question. How do you judge whether a support break is true reversal or a stop hunt? You never know. You only know after the fact. Um, so you can't know beforehand if that's your question. But um, the way to qualify a good break in general is if you get a break and a close above or below that certain level, that will indicate what I consider a true break. Do you focus on win rate or risk reward? Um, I mean, you don't focus on one thing. They're on, you know. If you have a very good win rate but terrible risk reward, or if you have very good risk reward or win rate, at the end of the day, both should be your focus according to whatever your strategy is. What is the core principle of market understanding? Um, I think the main thing is for a trader to understand price action. Price action is very important as a trader to understand and to be able to, on a naked chart, to be able to break down and see levels. When I go on a new clean chart, I can immediately spend a few minutes and realize levels that I should be looking at. Um, and so price action is very important. Also, the risk side of things, I would say is very important as well. How do I know, Arpan, I've read your question. No need to spam. How do I know if my loss was a mistake or part of a good strategy? The way you guys word these questions, when you say a mistake, what do you mean? Adam said, yeah, I'm trying to understand this question. When you lose, which is normal, when you lose a trade, which is 100% normal, you only know you have a good strategy when you're profitable overall. That's it. If you're profitable, regardless of your losses being there, then you have a good strategy. That's it. A strategy is not good because it wins all the time. That's not a strategy. A strategy is good because regardless of you having a losing streak or you losing, you still turn out to be profitable. That's a good strategy. Who's currently in a gold trade? Let me know if you're currently trading gold. Also, let me know what country you guys are from. Very curious to know what country you're watching from at the moment. India, India. Okay, you guys are a lot of you guys are from India. Very interesting. Marrakesh. Guys, no need to spam. Sri Lanka, Nigeria, India. All right. I like that we have a lot of users from India. All right, guys, no need to spam. Jamaica, Sri Lanka. Who's not from India right now? I like that you guys are from India. Where else are you guys from? We have Jamaica, Japan. Nice. Where in Japan are you from? By the way, who's ready for the giveaway? Morocco. Nice, nice. Who's ready for the giveaway? Whilst we wait for gold to form, I want to give away some accounts. I feel like there's a few people that deserve it. So why don't we start off with a futures account, 10K futures account? Um, what I'll do is I'll make the giveaway very simple. Okay. All you have to do to partake in a giveaway is this. You're going to go on the AquaTV Instagram page. Okay. And what you're going to do, I'll tell you in a sec. All right. So AquaTV Live is the Instagram page. They posted a reel. You're going to go on the latest reel. If you know what reels are, it's the videos on Instagram, similar to TikTok. So you'll go on the Instagram reel with the title. The title is Trading the Right Frameworks. Okay. And you're going to like and comment on that one. I'll pick a random person from that reel. Okay. I'm going to set a time limit to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll pick the winner. So again, You're going to go on the AquaTV live Instagram page, go on the recent reels. There's a video that is titled Trading the Right Frameworks. You're going to leave a like and a comment, and I'll pick one of you. Okay. Maybe pick another person as well, maybe two of you. So good luck. Time starts now. And again, that's for the 10K futures account. Okay. Just to be clear. Who's going to be the lucky person? I want to know who's going to be the lucky person. Done. Perfect. Time is about to run out. All right. Time is over. I'm about to pick the winner. So the winner of the 10K futures account. Can you tell me again what is the Instagram video title? It's Trading the Right Frameworks. You go on the Instagram reel, you swipe right on the Instagram page. It's the recent one of mine, Trading the Right Frameworks. So good luck to everyone I'm about to pick right now. Let me refresh. Who's going to be the lucky winner? And again, we're giving away multiple accounts today. So if you don't win, you have an opportunity to win multiple times today. So the winner of the 10K futures account is, and by the way, I'm going to make sure if you have to qualify. So if you commented and you don't follow the Aqua TV live Instagram, you're disqualified. Sorry to say, but the winner of the 10K futures account is PVT underscore Pratam 04. PVT underscore Pratham 04 is the futures account winner. Okay. We're going to give away some more accounts shortly. Let me just write down your name, sir. So that's PVT Pratam. Who's ready for the 10K Forex accounts? All right. Gold at the moment, we're just waiting for a push below 4,184. All right. You know what? I'm gonna give this the next. Wait, let me get rid of this. The first person to tell me what gold looks like at the moment, what kind of a pattern it looks like, wins a 10K forex account. What kind of a pattern does it look like right now? First person to guess wins straight away. Nope. Nobody's guessed so far. Someone said unicorn. Tom Hardy, congratulations. Tom Hardy, congratulations on being the first person. Um, yeah, Tom Hardy, congrats on winning a 10K forex account. Okay, I'm gonna save your name, Tom Hardy. Interesting name. How is it not obvious, guys? How do you not see a head and shoulder right now? It's very simple. I wouldn't say necessarily qualifies to be one yet. It's actively forming at the moment, but I said, what does it look like? Obviously, here, left shoulder, the head, and potentially the right shoulder. Okay, so Tom Hardy got it. Well done. Um, 10K. All right, we still have 3 more account giveaways. Okay, Subhajit said, I'm the first one to say it. Let's have a look. Nope, Tom Hardy was before you. Guys, no need to cheat. There's a chance for everyone, okay? There's no need to cheat. All right, 3 more accounts. Next account is going to be a 10K forex account. All right, first person to guess the number from 1 to 20 wins a 10K forex account. The number being 1 to 20. Okay. And you get a chance to win a 10K forex account. You guys are actually lucky that AquaFunded is giving away these accounts for you guys. Many different accounts. So it's not just one winner, it's multiple winners on every stream. Okay, let me scroll all the way up to make sure I pick the first person. Nero ICT. Congrats. You're the first person to have said the number 17. Nero ICT. Congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. Everyone, say congrats before I announce the next winner. So just type congrats. Nero ICT. All right. Whilst we wait for that, guys, I'm gonna look at pound. Was it pound JPY? Pound Swiss approaching below that support zone. The markets are really boring right now. USD JPY, USD. All right. All right. Now I'm going to pick one person from the YouTube chat. I'm going to pick a random person from the YouTube chat. Okay. We still have, I believe, 2 more accounts to give away. And again, if you're looking for discounts, the code is AquaTV. You get discounts on futures accounts and forex accounts. Okay, code is AquaTV. So we have 2 more accounts to give away. 2 more forex accounts to give away. Okay. Just please avoid spamming on the chat, because if you spam, you won't qualify. Okay, let's be fair. All right, the next winner of the 10K forex account is Adam K. Adam K, the reason why I picked you, if you're wondering, is because I have seen you active on this channel before. And because you are active, that's the reason why you're winning. So congrats to Adam K. We're still giving away one more account, guys. One more account. But as of now, Adam K, where are you from? Are you from Morocco? I think I've seen you comment Morocco. The last giveaway, Marrakesh. Oh, perfect. All right. Now I'm going to make it very simple. I'm going to use ChatGPT. It's going to pick a number. Wait, before anyone starts guessing the number, I will tell you when to start. So I'll tell ChatGPT, pick a number from 1 to 30. Let's see what number gives me. All right. It gave me a number. Guys, start commenting now. From 1 to 30, start guessing now. I won't be considering previous comments, only now, because you guys started spamming every number from early. I think I've already found the winner. Yeah, I found the winner. Let me confirm you're the first person to have guessed that number. And yes, you are. Mans MJ. Mans MJ, congrats. That's the number that ChatGPT picked. So congrats on winning a 10K Forex account. Now I'm going to explain how all the winners that have won today can redeem the giveaway. So it's very simple. The way that you can redeem or claim the giveaway, so none of you are confused, is by opening a Discord ticket, showing proof you are the winner, and the team will get back to you. Okay. Simple. So, Man's MJ, open a Discord ticket as well as all the other winners. I picked first. Please check. I've already checked, Joker. By the way, we're picking the numbers that came after I said it. Okay, but I'll check one more time. Okay, I'll Man's MJ temporary timeout whilst I confirm who said the number first. I'll double check to be fair. Okay, let me go up. You guys spammed every number, so it's loading right now. Okay. So Man's MJ commented 957. Let me go up. Okay, I was indeed wrong. I was indeed wrong. Yes, Joker, you have said the number first. Man's MJ, I do apologize. I do apologize for wrongly announcing that you won. However, Joker, congrats on winning the 10K account. I didn't said VAR. Yeah, it's a VAR. It's a replay moment. Again, apologies for the error. But Joker, congrats on winning the 10K Forex. To be fair, Man's MJ, if you come on the next stream, I will try to give you that prize if I see you on the next stream, Man's MJ, just to be fair. But Joker, for now, congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. I know poor MJ, I know Steven. But Man's MJ, join the next live. I've got you. Sir, I have won the account on Instagram. How do I claim it? Please take my name so I can give them. Yeah, so PVT, I believe you won on the Instagram. All you have to do is show proof and open a Discord ticket. That's it. Okay. But that's it for the giveaway, guys. Back to the charts. Gold currently right below the 4,200 level. I believe the longer we have gold staying below the 4,209 level, the more likelihood of it, starting to be more bearish. Okay. However, one thing I wouldn't be surprised if gold does is something like this. So testing that previous zone before maybe coming down. That could be a possibility for sure. Can you put my name in the screen too? Yeah. There we go. Batman said, please check. First person 17 is me. We've literally announced the winner a while back. It's impossible. I know Joker was the first person. Okay. As the US government is shut down, that might be the reason that gold is going upside to create a liquidity. And then when the government will open, then it will go down towards the downside. It's my thought. I'm not really focused on the fundamentals when it comes to gold at the moment. Yes, it plays a big part. Currently, though, me being a price action trader, I don't really focus on the fundamentals. I know the government is shut down. However, there's more to gold than just the US government shutting down. Way more to gold. Okay. Um, and so yeah, I wouldn't just have that opinion. Sir. Guys, if you're subscribed to the channel, comment subscribed. Let me know who's subscribed at the moment. Am I late for the giveaway? Yes, Pankaj. We've already announced the giveaways for this stream, but you can join us on the next stream for sure. I believe you won an account before, right? Let me know. Am I confusing you for someone else? I think you've won an account before. Subscribed. There we go. Bravo. I will be going live tomorrow, London session, by the way. So I do expect more volatility compared to this stream. But tomorrow on Friday, I'll be going live. So make sure you join me tomorrow when I'm live on this channel. Okay, guys, my name is Dini. I'm known as ForexDini on social media. It was nice talking with you guys today. Stream. However, I'm always happy to see you guys on the stream. I want to see you guys tomorrow. So invite a friend, share this with a friend tomorrow. Turn on the notification bell. And again, make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, that's it for the stream. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening. Trade safe. Good night, everyone.